welcome back to the Cortina build. I'm Jim and I just want to say Happy New Year to everybody. Hope you're all doing well. So I've had a couple of busy weeks over Christmas and I will show you what I've been up to. Let's go for a walk. So the headlining's all done, which I filmed for a previous episode, which you can definitely check out if you're interested. Which meant the main reason I wanted to get the headlining done is so I could start doing the glass. This is the original rear windscreen. I've given it a good clean, took off the old stickers which were from a road trip I did in 2006 to Run to the Sun. Who knows, I may even put a sticker on in the future of my logo, although I might change my logo. Watch this space. Now when I went to fit the windscreen, I didn't fit myself actually fitting it, but basically I put some rope, I did the old rope trick on the inside, managed to get this one slotted in. I think the fit's pretty good. Got a little bit of pushing out there, but the seal on the inside seems to be pretty good. So moving forward, I've made a couple of these felt pads. They just stop the door handle from vibrating or clunking when you open and close the door. The gear stick gaiter, because I'm now starting to work on closing the bulkhead off, because now the glass has started to go in. I can then start doing the interior, and part of that is making sure the bulkhead's sealed. Windscreen. So windscreen isn't in, it's in position. When I pulled it out of storage, I don't know if you can see that, we have come on. We have some real bad marks on this windscreen that I'm really struggling to pick up on the camera. But basically, this windscreen's a write-off. There's several chips in it. But on the plus side, I managed to get one through the insurance and it's getting fitted in a couple of days. So that's exciting. What have we got in here? And so in the bonnet, I stripped the wiring off on this side because I found that I didn't have enough. The cable run I taped up was too tight to go to the alternator, so I've sorted that. Now we're okay. I just need to obviously check that the alternator runs. I've also changed from the non-vacuum advance to a vacuum advance distributor. I've rebuilt an original Lucas 25D. I filmed it. If you're interested in seeing it, let me know, but it does definitely run a lot smoother than it did before. I think having the vacuum advance and the standard carbs probably helps with that. So going back to the bulkhead, I've now got the handbrake lever set up. I've just got to get underneath and do the cable, which I'll probably do in the next episode. And I've also put the bung on for the gaiter on for the throttle pedal. There's a few things I need to sort though. So I was looking at this clutch pipe and it's got no fluid in it. So that needs sorting. So what I'm finding is that there's a few leaks and things that I need to address, like I need to get that front tracking sorted. So I think I'm going to leave this one here. It was just a bit of a quick Happy New Year. I fitted some parts, I'm actually working on it. It's bloody freezing. God. So in the next episode I am going to start making sure a lot of this stuff is actually not just fitted, but it's fitted correctly. Insofar that I'm going to try and do the tracking. I'm going to see about fixing some of these leaks underneath, because as soon as the glass and the interior are in, we're straight up to the MOT station. And whilst I need to wait to order some more rubber and get this windscreen sorted, I might as well start doing some of the big jobs. So I hope you've enjoyed this. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe if you've made it this far. Thank you, and I hope you all have a prosperous 2021. See you soon.